Hey, welcome back to another tutorial of UX design, creating a website wireframe. And in this tutorial, we are going to start with the real design. So before going with the design, I hope that you guys have already downloaded the Balsamic software, and I hope that you are using the trial or the paid version. It's up to you. And after that, what I'm gonna show you guys that when you have it installed and you open the software, you will see a software something like that. And I'm not gonna describe the window currently. I will do it when I'm gonna start with the project. So basically over here you can see I have created a wireframe before. So I want to first maximize the window to see the real feel. So you can see the website wireframe. It looks like a wireframe fake website, and which actually can be showing us the all the elements of the website. So for example, the features, all the, this is a menu, this is the like promotion space, and this is like products of the week where you can see the images, and this is the title and the amount. Also see there are some other categories, all products. So this is a actually e-commerce website I made, but we are not gonna make a e-commerce website, but rather than we are going to make a very simple website. I don't want to make you guys overwhelmed with the wireframing, but as you progress, guys, you're gonna learn it. So you can see the footer here, and you can see a section over here where you can actually let the user subscribe. So you guys can see that this is actually kind of like a real fake website, and you can actually feel the user experience, how the user would feel like. So I want to show you guys something. So with the balsamic wireframe, you can actually navigate from one page to another page through clicking the link. So I have created some link here. This is the shop, the main, and after that story, where you can see the story of the company, and you can see there is a video section and things, and you can see the same footer comes here as well. Also you can see give back, another section which is kind of like empty, and you can see there are some big images and some text. Also the community, where you can see the community Twitter feeds. Okay, and the news, also something like the blogs of the website which I've created. There are logging section, contact us section, and the card. Also a lot of things you can have into your website. So you can see that this thing this thing comes handy before you actually develop the website. You can actually change the design before developing it and feel it like a real website, and you can change it. Something like you want to change the structure, you can do it here. But if you're developing without doing the wireframing and you are changing during the development, it would be really troublesome, I tell you what. So that's a really good, and I think most effective benefit of the wireframing. So I would like to go back to the software. Okay, I would like to first go back to the website. So this is a website which I created, I mean our official website of my YouTube channels, where you can see all the courses. There is the menu, the search button, which I haven't implemented it yet, but I'm gonna do it. And you can see a space where I am saying subscribe and notification. I hope that you guys have already subscribed. So another thing is the latest videos. Here the latest videos comes, and the latest courses, here the courses come. So this is a basically simple design, and this is a footer where you can see the content section related and other sections. And you can see the bottom of the footer section, there are some other design. So also you can see the all courses, you can see there, but the menu and the footer are same like before. Also there only there are changes into that title and some courses. Also the blog, where we can see some title, as the blog posts gets increased, you can see the title goes here. Also you can see, if I go there, you can see the details of the blog. And hire me section, just ignore it, and you can see the content section here. So this is the website actually I created like 1 month ago, but not 1 month, I think 2 weeks. So but you know what, I have created a wireframe before doing it, and I reiterated it again and again and again to get the real feel. What would it look like? This was not a very complex wireframe, but it actually helped me to visualize the real idea of what I planned into my head. So in this tutorial, actually, I'm gonna make this I'm gonna make the wireframe. I mean, another wireframe of this website, and I hope that you guys will be with me, and be I also hope that you guys will be bearing up with me. And let's go to the software itself. We will go to the software here, the real website we are going to, I mean the fake website we are going to develop. So I will click, so go to the software and the project, and click on the new project, and we are gonna say, okay, nothing to say. It will actually come up with a new window. I will close the previous window, and I will maximize this window. And right now we want to create a simple website. I mean the website, okay, I want to first take the window there, and we are going to develop the website wireframe, I mean my website. So first we are gonna take the you can see something like it's something like PowerPoint, these mockups. So every pages you design, those will be over here, and you can see the details of any components that you're going to work with, something like button bar or calendar. You can see them over here. Also another thing is that over here you can see some other functionalities. You can have them from here. Okay, let's take something right now. First we are going to take a browser window from here and drop it, drag and drop. So you can see something like www.ohit. Okay, first don't do this. Let's click it here, and you can see that there are some empty website address or URL address. I want to first stretch this, and maybe any size you would like. So I'm gonna take it. So there are no fixed kind of like width you can have on Balsamiq. You can have your own. So yeah, I'm gonna double click and say www.ohit.info, and I'm gonna click here, and you can see that the website address has been changed. So we are done with creating a website window. Right now what we are going to do is that we are going to actually design a menu of the window or our website. To do this, we are going to first go here, all, and we are gonna take a what we want to take a rectangle, maybe. Yeah, rectangle. Search it from here. There is a search functionality, and you can also have all of those buttons over here. You can see rectangle, you can see field set, images. There are a lot of components you are having here to design your website wireframe. You can see common containers, there are iPhone window, there are shape, there are smartphone, there are tab bars, a lot of things you are having here. So first I'm gonna take the window here, and I'm gonna stretch it until there. Since you can see our website over here, you can see here the menu. Okay, the menu is over here. So we are gonna take it. Okay, we have taken it, and we will change the color here. You can see the properties. If I select the window, the main window, browser window, you can see the property of the browser. If we select, then you can see the properties of the rectangle. So I'm gonna select the rectangle, and you can see the color properties, color attribute, and from the color attribute I'm gonna select the background color. So I want to take a deep blue, so it should be something like that. Okay, cool. Right now we want to copy this. To copy this, you can actually select it and press Control plus C. It's a normal copy you do over there into like texting it, copying any text or any other thing. So you copy it, paste it, and you paste it here into the footer section, and you increase it, stress it there. Okay guys, so there are like 4-5 other sections we want to make. We are done with the menu section. You actually can do some other thing, like there is some border. You can see the black border. You can see into the website over here also some black border. I can actually delete them, so you can go there and click here and make them as white. I think not white, or you can actually how to do it. Okay, you can you actually have to select the border. No, my bad. So you can actually select black, or you can make it as a blue. So if you make it as a blue color, you can see that it's already seem like it's disappeared. So I will be selecting the blue for the footer as well, for this footer. Okay, so right now we want to create the link here. I mean the home, all courses, the blog, contact section. To do this, we can do several options. We have several options to do this. Either we can take buttons, which you can see the buttons over here, some buttons, or we can actually see some button bar. If you take it here, you can see also the button bar, but we want some simple buttons as our website. You can see these are some simple buttons, so we want this. So to do this, we are gonna say link, and if you search the link, you can see that the link are appearing, and you want to come up with the link bar. You can see that link bar, and select the link bar, and I will paste them here and select the link bar. It's kind of like the color we don't prefer it, so I'm gonna change the color, link color, into the link bar attribute, change the color into white, and it's kind of like seems better now. Also separated and selected text, select it and change it to you want to change it to white as well. Okay, it almost look like our website. You can actually change and resize the link size. To do this, you select the link bar and you select the font or text font size. I want 14. Is it better? I want 15. I think it looks better now. Okay, you can actually readjust it, drag and drop anywhere. Okay, right now we are kind of like okay with it. Okay, you want to have a search field, so you go and search it, search box, search the search, and the search box appears, and just put it here. As you can see it into our right side of the website, main website. You want to have a logo, just have a simple logo, search it, and you can have it here. Change the color of the icon into something like white, and you can actually select it and change the icon size from long to medium, and I will put it here, and I will grab the link bar and just bring it here. So you can see that our menu is totally ready to go. We want something else to be here as well. I mean, if you see into your footer section, there are a lot of things you can see. There are content related, important links, legal, subscribe, and these all the things. So we want this thing to be there. So to do this, we will do something like we will first go to asset all, and we will select the okay. Let's first select a text, some text. You can do it from text and over there, and say it contents, and select it and go to the properties and change the attributes text color into white and change it to 15 maybe. Okay, and maybe you can also text underline it by clicking on U. Also we are gonna select it, copy, Ctrl C, and paste it, Ctrl B. for 4 times. Control B, Control B again. So Control C, you copy the component. Control B, you paste it. It's like simple copying the text and pasting the text. So I'm gonna change it to related. I'm gonna change it to important links. I'm gonna change it to legal. Also, I want to take another option, which is subscribe. So I will copy this and paste it, and I'm gonna say subscribe. Okay, so we want some, as you can see, we have a lot of links here. We want to have those links into the website. To do this, we are gonna go and we are gonna say link, and we will, right now we are not gonna take the link bar, we are gonna take the link only, and we will go there, paste it here, grab and paste it here, and say give it a size of 15, and okay, something here we need to do.